People of the Purple Butterfly here. This is the part to the car, the hood release cable. At least it better be, because I've been waiting for nearly a week for it. And I got a delivered notification. And so far, Park Geek has not let me down on delivery of the correct items. So, yeah. That's actually bigger than I thought. Okay. That's the hood release cable. So apparently there's two parts to it, because the part that I had was like this. This is that plus some. But yeah, that's the whole thing. Hood release cable, one piece, etc., etc., etc. Guaranteed to fit my car. And it says, we've got your back. If you have any questions, call our certified tech line at blah, 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 blah number, so forth and so on. So now that I got the part, I'm going to call Vincent so he can get the hood open and then install this, since he knows how to install it, and maybe give me a price that I probably can't afford, but we'll pay him back later, because, yeah. Oh boy, it's here. And then the next step would be an oil change, because, yeah, the car really needs an oil change. It's starting to smell like broken down oil. And if you've ever smelled that, you already know you can't go too long with your car smelling like that, because your engine could seize up. So, gonna get it popping. Hopefully he'll let me videotape it. If not, I'll just come back and tell you about it. And hopefully the next video will be the car with the install cable, the oil change, and everything running, and all of that good stuff. This has been People of 7 on Blue Sky and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that like button. Bye now. People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of 7 on Blue Sky and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. And yeah, the car is fixed, kinda. The part that I showed in the last segment, the hood latch cable, got it. When I went to have Vincent install it, he couldn't get the hood up. And turns out when I took it to the oil change place and they tried to get the hood up, they fiddled around with something under there. So basically reversed all his work. So he did get the hood up, but he had to remove the latch assembly to do it. I'm going to put a picture right there. And hold on. I'm going to put a picture right there. And that part is now hanging on the top of the hood of the car. So he did get it open. So first thing was he put the light back that was, the blinker had went out, and he said, "There's nothing wrong with this bulb here. Put this in the glove box for future use." Come to find out, when the guy did the alternator, he disconnected a cable. He put the cable right back in, and all of a sudden, the headlights, the bright lights, the blinker, all of that works on the right side now. So, yeah. Then he put like a whole quart of oil in it, did the oil change. My apartment has a leave no trace policy, so basically, whatever way he did the oil change, there's no oil on the ground and all that. Literally complied with the leave no trace policy. And my wiper blade was bugging him, so I got a wiper blade and he installed that. The air conditioner now works. That broken down oil smell is gone. I drove that car with the air conditioner on all the way to the 4 and blasted myself. Yeah, that was good. But the hood latch assembly is literally stuck to the top of the car. I already priced it. It's a $40 part, but they're out of stock. But in the meantime, he's got it fixed where he can open it by removing a bolt and, opening it that way and then putting the bolt back. And that's fine. He's my mechanic now. So if no one else could open it, I know he can. So you're up to date on that. But for now, the car is running like a top. The oil is in there. Everything is fine. We're not going to reattach the hood release cable until we get the part for the latch assembly, because it's a moot point if I can't, it wouldn't do no good to go like this and the part that actually responds to that pull is attached to the top of the hood. So that's going to be a future repair. Um, I change the oil every 3 months, so we know that at least in 3 months that part should be available, and when he goes to do the next oil change, he can go ahead and fix that. But for right now, we're not worried about it. So that's a good thing, because yesterday was Forever Kia Forte's birthday. I've had her 5 years, and usually on her birthday, I get her, you know, one time I got her new brakes. One time I got her seat covers. This time she got an oil change and a couple of minor repairs. So, yeah, that works. It still counts as a gift to my car. But anyway, this has been People 7 on Blue Sky and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at purplebutterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that like button. Bye now.